So I wanted to make sure I acknowledge that I'm very clear about interval increasing and interval decreasing, okay? So when you look at this problem right here, if we've got all these ones, that's not the issue. This one, if we do it that way, when it's on the left, it's always negative infinity. And when it's on the right, it's always positive infinity. But since this is going up, positive infinity, and since this is going up, positive infinity. But in the end, we're focused on the x. Negative infinity to negative 3, decreasing. Then from negative 3 to 0, increasing. And then from 0 to 3, it's going back down, decreasing. But then from 3 to positive infinity, it goes back up. And if I was actually to put these in order, negative infinity, negative 3, negative 3 to 0, 0 to 3, 3 to positive infinity. If you look, they connect, they connect, they connect, because I'm saying from here to here, it goes down. Then from here to here, it goes up. Then from here to here, it goes down. From here to here, it goes up. And that's exactly what's happening. I wanted to do this one, even though it's not on there, but just to make sure we're clear. I guess it's the exact same thing, isn't it? But I want to do what happens if it was something like that, okay? What I want you to see is the difference between the two. On the left, it's negative infinity. On the right, it's positive infinity. But this one's going down, negative infinity, and this one's going up, positive infinity. But we're still focused here, okay?